Bushmaster booth, and they got all kinds of fun toys, and Eric said we got to check this out. So tell me about this. What do we got here?
So we got the new and improved Bushmaster BA50. The old iteration of the BA50 had a break between the handguard and the upper receiver. We've closed that in. Additionally, we've made an improvement in the bolt. The bolt used to have a see-through hole. It is now a blind hole that reinforces that bolt and prevents it from cracking under the extreme pressure for a 50 BMG. Beyond that, the 50 or BA50 rather is a 1 MOA guaranteed rifle. So great product. It's a 68.95 for the MSRP. So kind of hard to beat. Where are you going to find a 50 cal for that price point?
Especially semi-auto, right?
Well, bolt action.
Bolt action.
So,
okay.
Yes. So yeah, great product. Around magazine. Magazines with the old BA50s and vice versa. Try to keep it as uniform as we could.
And then we can shoot it, right?
We can't shoot it today, unfortunately, due to the range rules. However,
thanks, guys.
Great product and great price point.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, what else you got from Bushmaster that we should be checking out?
Well, beyond that, we got the new Muta can. It's the Muta 30 cal, and I'm gonna go ahead and have you just keep that on the rest real quick. How about I get you a magazine and you shoot it?
I like that idea.
Right, I'm gonna have you come back with me real quick. Let's get you a magazine. Can I get a 300 blackout? Alrighty. So, go ahead and pick up the weapon while keeping that muzzle pointed downrange.
So it's obviously we got 3D printed
Inconel 620 Inconel 625. It's 8 inches in length, just a little bit over a pound.
It's light because you can't really tell it's on the end of the rifle.
Light and durable. That material is very, very, very durable. It's surprised me to be honest with you. So we have overall length of 8 inches, and I think it's 18.4 ounces. So again, a very light can.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get a magazine in there. So again, keeping that muzzle pointed down range. You see that square target?
Yeah. Another.
Keep all the rounds on the left side and do not go over that berm. Okay. Go ahead and get ready. I'm going to put the magazine for you. All right. This is just making sure. All right. Send that bolt home. And
you said full auto?
Yeah, just full auto. Yes, sir.
All right.
Flick it. Yep. There you go.
Okay, sounds good.
And that's it. Quiet can, isn't it?
Right, it doesn't. You can't hear anything. Just kind of went chugga chugga.
And it's a prototype for here at SHOT Show. We'll be releasing it here soon. I'll take that from you. But it's going to be a great, cost-effective,
doing an economic price point's going to be at that, or
I'm hoping. I'm limited with my words right now. However, I can tell you that the Muta 556 is 687.
Okay, so we can expect it to be
somewhere in that ballpark.
Right around that range. All right.
So it's going to be a great way, great can to get into the NFA world for customers.
Awesome. There's not a whole lot of 3D printed cans I know of that are in that sub $1,000 mark. So
yep, it's a very cost-effective option.
Nice. And I noticed they're direct thread or CQD options, or
for now we only offer direct thread, but we don't think about QD.
Awesome. Well, coming at you from SHOT Show 2025, guys.
All right, thanks, Chris.